Ayan, malalaki na ang aming, what's this? Ampalaya. Ito sa India, ang tanim namin. Ayan, ang lalaki na. O, gugulayan na namin na harvestin na. Ay, lalaki. Go, Daddy. Start to harvest now. He's going to harvest our ampalaya. Oh, the knife. I give you.
It's organic.
Organic vegetables. Ayan ang aking asawa. Mag-harvest na siya. Can I see? Wow, it's big. All harvest it all. My gosh, nakakatuwa kasi hindi namin kailangan bumili ng gulay lagi. Kasi meron kaming mga tanim. May tanim din kaming okra at kangkong. May kangkong din kami. Favorite ko yung kangkong. And meron din kaming, there is big daddy from that one from Philippines. Ito is Indian ampalaya. And then meron din ako doon from Philippines na tinanim ko dito. Can you see? Ooh. Marami siyang bunga. Kamunta kami dun sa kabila. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one. Look. Oh my gosh. Aray ko. Wow. They are all big now, huh?
Look, this from Philippines.
Wow, this is from Philippines.
This is from Philippines.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Ito yung ito yung halaman kong galing sa
Other side,
Pilipinas.
because sun is there.
Okay, I will go there. Liga. Ito, iba yung klase niya kasi galing to Pilipinas. Tinanim ko. Itong, can I see daddy? Where, there.
Hey. Ay, chura na.
अरे को ऊपर आई बा
Kaya ba?
बीच में
Hey.
नहीं अंदर में और तो
Look here.
Wow! Hala, harvest na, Pogi. Haga-harvest na si Pogi ng aming aming gulay.
Oh, almost 1 kg.
1 kilo. And there is more. Look, there is more, Daddy.
Only big one. Oh.
Oh, that is big. Maybe we can find more. Marami siyang bunga pero malilit pa yung iba. Ayan. I think is only one puno. Only one puno.
This is yours. No. Ekar wala
From
banana. It will
Philippines.
become big, right?
Yes, it
need to grow.
will become
Banana,
long.
banana, wait.
Long. Here, Daddy, look there. And two.
Tomorrow.
Two, no. Look there.
This one is so good. This
Then the other one, it's bigger.
no, this is so.
No, there.
Oh. Very big.
Look. Wow. Nakakatuwa. Good.
Look, it's fresh.
Wow, organic kuan. Ampalaya.
Then छोटा बाबू behind to ready. The one is small one is tomorrow.
Maybe, yes.
And your head. Look there.
Which one? This one? Here I go. Harvest. Ayan. Let's go other side.
Or in Hindi.
Parwar, but in English?
English I don't know the name.
Oh, okay.
Look here. See. This one is right.
Parwar.
Turdi.
Maybe tomorrow. We can plant also.
Yeah, but we have a lot.
अब पिंतुल पर ना बड़े भलो पर
1 kilo na to. Wow, mayroon na kaming gulay.
1.5 kg.
1.5 kg. Wow. Tulog yung isang minggo ko. Look. Isa na lang siya.
माताजी निकल रही है किसने मांगा
Marami kaming tanim.
तो कल कहां दलिया छुकाई
ये ऊपर के हम
Kangkong. Meron akong kangkong dito. Ayan o, yung kangkong ko. Coriander.
this is your karaili
Yes, it is also from Philippines. I cannot eat this much.
है देख हम फरी बड़े
Hey, there is big. Look. Look. Look.
look here show here
Wait. Let's see. From Philippines, this one also. Philippines.
yes sir.
Ay, wait. This pinagkaiba niya. Ito, medyo makinis siya. Ito, Ang dami niyang tusok-tusok. Kaya iba siya. Wait, one more.
This is from India. This is from Philippines.
Why smell bad?
Look, there's other. It's
Yeah,
growing.
yeah. There is one. How many? One? Two, oh my God! Salad.
The other one
Yes.
is planting.
And our tomato also. We have tomato. Meron kaming mga tomato dyan.
You cannot cook this one.
We can cook.
No privacy. Unless you cook for them. Huh?
Ayan, may saging din kami.
From there, other side Maidan. The sunrise. Start.
Ang aking father-in-law, haharbisin niya na yung banana. Sige, father-in-law, harvest. Hala, mahulog ka dyan. Ingat ka dyan, ingat. Ayan siya. Tinanim din ang father-in-law ko dyan para sa goat yan. Para sa aming kambing. Yan para sa goat din siya, pagkain ng goat. Banana, heart banana. Heart banana. Banana heart.
Did you take all the picture?
Oh yeah. Now I know how to do. Ay, naku, binuhat na niya
You
talaga.
want to take picture like this? My father he hold and this all.
I will take picture, guys.
Yeah. Wait. Sorry. You will show after what we harvest.
Yada na hiya.
Tomato.
Oh, we have tomato also there. Ang aming tomato,
Right. It's organic tomato.
organic. Always organic here kasi
Always. Huh? Wow, one here. Look.
look here, our sabji.
This is tomato.
Ah, wow. Yeah, give me. Talong. Wala pang bunga yung talong, bulaklak pa lang. Talong. Ayan. Din kami dito, okra ba? Ayan.
Maybe
What's
it will-
that?
This is the
Squash?
yeah, big squash. You know
Ah,
the
the green
yellow one?
squash?
Yeah, this
I like the green squash.
Yeah,
But I don't like the yellow one.
this is yellow, big one.
I don't like. I want the green squash.
Green is there. Now kill.
Squash. Kadu.
Ikaw maluman.
Yun naman ang aming garden. Maraming tanim. Oh, pichay, isa na lang siya. Look. I think this watermelon.
But chal diye bo na.
This also. Or let them to grow here.
This is kongkong.
Yeah, kangkong. All kangkong.
Look, he plant
Native
again.
kangkong.
You bring this one.
Ah,
He plant. Look here some. So it will grow again.
yeah. Maraming prutas, maraming ang aming guava kaso malilit pa siya. Maraming mamela. Ayan, ang aming bahay. Babay na. Tapos na ang aming video. Tapos na rin kami mag-harvest. Ayan.